Balik.
Mama, wag mo ako pala, ha?
Ano?
Wag mo ako pala, ha?
Sino nagsabi sa yung lumubog-lubog ka dyan sa putik?
Mama, pala, ha?
Ano?
Wag mo ako pala, ha?
Takot ka palang mapalo eh. Sige na.
Wag mo ako pala, ha?
Oo, sige na. Daan.
Lights, camera, action.
It's so the very fresh. And so the light is the apple. In the fresh into the apple the same. It's so yummy good. It's so the yummy. It's so the apple the juice okay. You see the version so yeah, the apple juice. It's so yummy.
Galing ka na? Galing ka na? Video ko yan.
Tuwanan mo ang iyong problema.
Parang nag-imagine ka, nakikita mo sa imagine mo, wow, ang taas ko na. Ganon. Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Pero step by the step pala. Bago ka sumakses. Pero yung na-imagine mo, biglang kang sumakses.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 1, Kiefer.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Lapis and pencil pen. The Philippines is my nation. Davao City is my location. And I believe that a man without ambition is like a rolling stone without direction. I am Kiefer Sanchez, 13 years old. Inay! Inay! Ate! Kuya! Thank you!
Mahusay! Mahusay! Thank you very much, Kiefer. Thank you very much. Up next, candidate number 2, Francis!